Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dynamic theme in Messenger. So to do that you just need to have the AI generator on your Messenger. If you are not, you will be, or as we can say, your choices will be limited. So with the AI generator you will have multiple options. Even you can type to him which background that you want to set on Messenger or a chat on Messenger. So let's get started. So first we need just to open or launch our app Messenger, and right here you can choose which chat you want to enable on, to enable on the dynamic theme and this app. So let's go, for example, to this channel, and right here as you can see I have some options right here, but it doesn't matter. What I want to do is to go into his name of this contact, and after that, as you can see right here, there is the customization. I want you to go into them right here, tap on it, and after that what I want to do is to scroll down and choose which background you want to have on this chat. But what I advise you to do is to go into create with AI. Alright, so once you tap on create with AI, right here I want you to describe the theme for the AI. So for example, I want a dynamic theme. Alright, so send it, and yeah, the AI is generating the background that we want it to be right here on this chat. So this is the background. If you like it, you just need to go into next. If you are not, you can go right here on this icon and tap on it, and it will be changed. For example, we will try to change it. Okay, almost done. Alright, so let's say that I liked this background. So I will just go into next, and right here this is an example of how it will look. Right, so after that we'll just go into create, and yeah, it's applied. So this is how to enable dynamic theme and Messenger. Anyways guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.